The 1984 group presents the decentralized ecosystem of Utopia. Welcome to Utopia Tutorials, a video series presented by Cryptonaut Creations. In this video, we will demonstrate where to download the Utopia software and how to create a new account in this unique, peer-to-peer ecosystem. The first step is to visit u.is. The Utopia website may be viewed in 29 languages. While Utopia's mobile application is presently in development, it is currently available in desktop form for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Let us now turn our attention to the remarkable software itself. It is our pleasure now to demonstrate to you the Utopia P2P ecosystem desktop client software. The software itself is naturally also available in those same 29 languages because it was created for a global community. The version we will be demonstrating is 1.0.5986. Click here to create a new account in the ecosystem. Utopia is a unique, decentralized ecosystem, enabling users from around the world to exercise their fundamental right to secure and private communication and the freedom to securely store and transmit their private data. Utopia has no central server involved in data transmission or storage, it is fully decentralized with no single point of failure. Utopia offers instant secure text and voice messaging. U-Mail, an encrypted alternative to classic email. Group chats and channels. File transfers of any type, including images and videos. Utopia's e-currency is Krypton. With U-Wallet, you can anonymously transfer Kryptons, create U-vouchers, send invoices, use crypto cards, allow automated monthly charges with limits, and accept payments on your Utopia website using built-in APIs. Utopia rewards users supporting the ecosystem through mining with the emission of new Kryptons. When you run Utopia or the mining bot from a static, public IP, you will receive your share of this collective reward. Utopia is a true peer-to-peer network where each user participates in the transmission of data. Surf the ecosystem's websites anonymously using the built-in IDLE browser. Local storage is encrypted by 256-bit advanced encryption standard and all network communication is protected by Curve 25519 high-speed elliptic curve cryptography. On the following screen, you will be asked to provide a nickname. A nickname is the alias or username visible to all other users subscribed to the same channels as you with a public guest list, including users who come to learn of your public key, regardless of whether or not they may be in your personal contact list. The first and last name fields are optional and so may be completed with a pseudonym or left blank. These fields will only be visible to authorized users in your personal contact list. On the following screen, you will have an opportunity to select the file name, location and password of your encrypted container. This is the highly sensitive database file which contains all of your private Utopia data and access to your CRP funds. For this reason, it is very important to choose a strong, unique password. On the following screen, you will have an opportunity to enable Krypton mining, which has almost no effect on your CPU or disk drive load and does not increase electricity consumption. On the Utopia P2P network, mining is the process by which encrypted packets are routed and RAM is made available for caching purposes. Requirements include a 64-bit operating system, at least 4090 MB of RAM, 4 CPU cores, and a good quality internet connection associated with both a static as well as a public IP address. After enough peer connections have been made on the network, usually no longer than a few days, you will begin to receive Krypton rewards every 15 minutes. Clicking to finish here will begin the process of new account creation on the peer-to-peer network of Utopia itself. The software will first create your new encrypted container and associate it with a randomly generated private key. After this, the associated public key of your new account will be announced to the network. Congratulations! At this point, your Utopia account has been created. Displayed here is your public key, which also serves as the Krypton payment address associated with your account. A brief tour of Utopia functions and benefits is now available. Utopia offers 2 pre-installed themes for your client software appearance. You may choose between the default Classic and the Dark theme. Here is a brief overview of various features available in Utopia. They include an instant text and voice messenger, file transfer, public and private group chats and channels, U-Mail, U-Wallet, mining, gaming, and browsing. Although your public key is anonymous, crypto cards are also available for enhanced privacy. They enable you to send or receive CRP payments without revealing even your public key. They also allow you to send payment requests and to set monthly limits for automatic charges by authorized contacts, cutting-edge capabilities in the cryptocurrency space. Utopia features self-hosted, censorship-resistant websites and a built-in browser for anonymous browsing. All communication is fully encrypted by default. No browsing history is retained and your internet connection IP address is not available to website operators. Furthermore, as you shall see on the following screen, payment APIs are available to enable direct CRP payments. Utopia features APIs for many functions of the ecosystem, and welcomes developers to create applications, web services, games, block explorers and websites that integrate CRP. You are encouraged to help the Utopia community grow by inviting users to join the ecosystem. Help us build a global community based on a profound respect for privacy and genuine freedom of speech. Help us build a safe and protected space online where you and your private information cannot be monetized, tracked or harvested in any way. You are also invited to join the support and promotion portal at support.u.is to earn Kryptons as rewards for helping to improve and promote Utopia. Here is the main dashboard of your Utopia desktop client software. A shortcut to copy your account's unique public key is available here. This is your U-Wallet, with numerous associated functions. You are highly encouraged to explore this robust and versatile software yourself, but we will show you the various file menu options now. Thank you for taking the time to learn about Utopia. We look forward to your presence and participation in this revolutionary peer-to-peer ecosystem.